Hey guys, it's Kraken Cubes, and today I'll be teaching you how to solve the last layer of your cube. I have two other tutorials for the first and second layer linked in the description. So the first step to this is solving the yellow cross. We already did the white cross, but now we have to do the yellow one. So we have to get all of the 4 yellow edge pieces in place, and this is really easy to do. You could have no yellow edge pieces whatsoever. You could have 2 yellow edge pieces diagonal from each other. You could have 2 yellow edge pieces in a line. Or you could already have all 4 edge pieces on top, and if you have this, then you can just skip what I'm about to do. So for all of these cases, you use the same algorithm, but you position the cube differently. So if you have no edge pieces, you have to do this algorithm multiple times, but say you have 2 in a line, you only have to do this once. I'll slowly show you what the algorithm is. And now we have 2 edge pieces in place. I'm going to show you this algorithm one more time. So now if you had no edge pieces, you should have 2 going in an arrow or a backwards L. Or if you already had this, it doesn't matter, you are still going to do the same algorithm. So make sure the backwards L is in the top left corner of your cube, or this algorithm will not work and it will probably end up switching the wrong pieces. So it's the same algorithm, but just make sure this is in the top left corner. So if you have an L, I literally said L that entire time, but it's obviously a line, then you're just going to hold the L horizontally. Do not hold it vertically because this algorithm won't work. You have to hold it horizontally and then do the same algorithm. And now you should have your entire yellow cross solved with all of the yellow edge pieces in place. Okay, so now that we have all of our yellow edge pieces in the right place, this is the first time we're going to pay attention to the corner pieces. So without rotating any side of your cube, we're going to look for corner pieces that are in the right spot. And when I say in the right spot, I don't mean they're the yellow's facing up. I just mean that they're in between the right center pieces. This will make sense in a second when I explain it. So this one has blue and red, and this is not blue and red, so that's wrong. This one is red and green. This isn't red and green, so that's wrong. This one is orange and green. This isn't orange and green, so that's wrong. And then this one is wrong as well. So for this, you could have 0 corners in place, you could have 1 corner in place, or you could have 4 corners in place. But first, I'm going to show you what to do if you have no corners already in place. And then I'll show you 1 and then 4. So now that I've established that I have no corners in place, I'm going to do this algorithm. So I'm going to turn this face to the left, take this pair out, push it back, take this pair out, push it back, put this pair back in, and put this pair back in. And now I should have 1 corner in place. And I do. My corner is right here, and this is red and green, and this is red and green. So that is my corner that's in place now. Now I'll show you what to do if you have 1 corner in place like me. So I have 1 in place, so I'm going to hold this corner on the right side and do the same algorithm. So turn this to the left, this pair out and back, put this pair out and back, slide this pair in, move this, and put it back in, and now I should have all 4 corners in place. But if you don't, you're just going to repeat this algorithm again until you do. So this is in place, this is in place, this is in place, and this is in place. So all of my corners are correct. And again, if after doing that they're not, then you're just going to do that algorithm again. Okay, so this is the final step, and once you're done this, your entire cube will be solved. So pay close attention to this. So you're going to flip your cube so the yellow face is on the bottom and your white is on the top. And remember, you have to be very careful when doing this, because if you do this wrong, you could mess up your entire cube and have to start over again. Okay, So what you're going to do is an algorithm that is called the sexy move, but I don't call it that. So it's basically this. So we move this up, out, side, back down, and then keep doing that. So, and that's what we're going to do here. And we're going to keep doing this until this corner is correct, facing, and by correct I mean facing the right way. So just flip it from the top to the bottom and do this. And now my edge is in here correctly. You might have to do this once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, however many times. Just stop as soon as you see this and this face are matched up. And now we are going to rotate the bottom face to the other corner and do the same thing again. So this isn't in here, so we're going to do it again. It's in here, but it's facing the wrong way, so we're going to do it again. Nope. Oh, and it is in the correct way now. So we're going to turn our cube, and this edge is already solved. So we're going to skip over that and go to the one that isn't, and then do that sexy move again. And there, your entire cube is solved. I'm going to show you that one more time because it's confusing. Okay, so once again, what you do is you flip this to the bottom. So white is on top, and keep doing those set of 4 moves until this is oriented correctly. So I'll show you one more time. And now this one's incorrectly, so I do turn it and do this. And this one's incorrectly, so turn it again. This one's incorrectly, and my cube is completely solved. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. If you want me to make it more clear in any way, leave a comment and I can do like a follow-up video just explaining more, because I really want this to be clear. Just because like I don't want my tutorial to be like so you can't follow it, because then what's the point of the entire tutorial, you know? I have no idea how to film outros. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.